Hello friends, welcome to today's video. So in today's video I'm going to be doing like a laundry fold with me, do some laundry video because I've got lots of laundry to do and lots of laundry to fold. Sorry if the camera's kind of shaky, I'm doing it kind of vlog style. But yeah, so this is my big old pile of laundry I need to fold that's just been not folded in a while. And then I will be going into the laundry room and just kind of, doing laundry, whatnot. So yeah, let's just... Oh, before we get on into the video, don't forget to go down and hit that subscribe button. Give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to go down and leave a comment. Turn on your post notifications, all that fun, jazzy stuff. And yeah, we'll just get on into the video.
Empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly. And I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now, to where we started out. Get me out of now, to where we started out. La 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 la, oh, oh. Get me out of broken hearts and starting fights, turning truth to lies. Gotta get up, stop wasting time. Yeah, I wanna run off and fly. And I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now, to where we started out. Get me out of now, to where we started out. Oh no, you hurt me, you did, several times.
It hurts to admit that we're no different. I find it hard to commit, but you don't even try. Still I'm better with than without you. Oh, I'm on it, I want it, but why do you seem to call in your eyes? I can't tell if you're here or you're out there. Do you wanna be out there? You don't need to be Prince Charming to me. I just need this to be real. I don't need no fairy tale. You don't need to kill a dragon for me. Ooh, I don't need no fairy tale. We run and go still every time. Whatever it is, I keep on trying. 'Cause it ain't hard to forgive when you know what it's like. That's why I'm better with than without you. Oh, I'm on it, I want it, but why do you seem to call in your eyes? I can't tell if you're here or you're out there. Do you wanna be out there? You don't need to be Prince Charming to me. I just need this to be real. I don't need no fairy tale. You don't need to kill a dragon for me. Ooh, I don't need no fairy tale. You don't need to be Prince Charming to me. I just need this to be real. I don't need no fairy tale. You don't need to kill a dragon for me. Ooh, I don't need no fairy tale. I don't need no.
We both have thoughts of leaving when thoughts get thrown around. But we keep going on believing, and on till we're all cried out. 'Cause we don't feel like throwing it all away. We don't feel like it. But this time it's not about escaping.
Okay guys, so I didn't explain this very well last time I showed it. So it's this long or tall hangy thing. So it just kind of looks like this. I didn't quite explain what it was I was hanging on it last time. So I actually ended up hanging these wet clothes. So these are like sopping wet. I just pulled them out of the washing machine. So all these clothes are my delicates. I tend to wash them in cold water. I don't dry them. And so I'll just put them in a basket and then hang them on here and let them dry here. So I just wanted to explain what it is I use this contraption for. It is to hang my wet clothes that I don't dry so that they can dry. But yeah, I really hope that that helps explain things. I mean, it's not that anyone was confused or anything. I just wanted to explain better. But yeah, so now I'm just going to get started with hanging a basket of wet clothes on this hang dryer? I don't even know what to call it. Clothes hanger? Clothes drying contraption? I don't know. Anyways, we'll just get on to hanging my wet clothes.
We don't feel like it. We don't feel like it.
Every day we escape, losing all of our faith. We can't live this way. Feel me slowly fade away. Feel me slowly fade away. As far as the wind will take me. Every day I feel time slipping, passing, skipping by. All the words I could say just can't really seem to stay. Feel me slowly fade away. As far as the wind will take me.
Alright guys, that is all of my laundry, fold with me stuff for today. I really hope that this gave you some laundry motivation to get up and fold that pile of laundry that's, you know, sitting somewhere unfolded in a basket. Trust me, there are many, many, many days that there are baskets full of clean clothes that I have not folded, and baskets of dirty clothes that I have not cleaned. To be perfectly honest and perfectly transparent here, the laundry that you saw me do today was because I didn't have any clothes that were clean, that weren't winter clothes. So that is the reason why I decided to film my laundry today. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I really hope that you forgive me for taking so long to film. I know it's been a little bit since I filmed a video. I have just been experiencing a lot of migraines the last couple of weeks, and then on top of all that, trying to get my kids' this online school thing done and figured out, you know, because as some of you may know, we, you know, moved to a different state, so I had to get everything figured out, you know, start all over, pretty much. So I've been dealing with that. But yeah, if you enjoyed this video, please go down and give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to go down and hit the subscribe button, and also comment down below and let me know if this gave you motivation to get your laundry done. I really do hope that me making these videos do give you some sort of inspiration or motivation, because I know when I watch these videos, I don't know what it is, but it lights a fire underneath me. I'm like, okay, I gotta get these things done. So I completely understand what these videos can potentially do. So yeah, again, don't forget to go down and hit the subscribe button, give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!